Hi everyone, this is Chris Calvert from Shure, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to come to you and report in from the TD SYNNEX InVision event here in Dallas, Texas, and it's been an incredible event. I really wanted to take just a few minutes to highlight a couple of our awesome products that we have on show here today. You're going to see a wide variety of different applications and use cases of some of our microphones and speakers that are on this table in front of me, but the real rock star of the show is going to be our new IntelliMix RoomKit solution. We worked very closely with Microsoft and Huddly to develop these single SKU, full, complete room solutions. And you're going to have all of your core components that are necessary to drive an in-room conferencing and collaboration experience. So we have our IntelliMix Foundation Kit, which is going to be the two devices that you see in front of you, and that is the touch controller and the compute. The compute unit actually features 8 channels of DSP, which makes it a really powerful, really unique device that is driving the meeting experience. For audio, you're going to have our MXA 902 product, which is an integrated ceiling-based microphone array with integrated loudspeaker. And you're going to have a video solution from Huddly, and depending on the size of the room, that video solution and audio solution is going to scale to meet the needs of that particular space. We do have 4 of these offerings available to address everything from small to large reconfigurable spaces. And if you're interested in finding out more, definitely check out the website or reach out to your folks at TD SYNNEX, and they can get you connected with the right information. Thanks.